Hey everybody, I am going to help you figure out how to do this assignment today. How do plants and animals work together? All right, so I'm going to show you some quick things real quick. So I have chosen my animal is the koala and my plant is eucalyptus, which I've just figured out how to spell. So the first question asks, how does the animal benefit from the plant on an organism level? Koala gets food from eucalyptus. You might say, well, Chris, how do you know that? I did some research. So I'm not going to show you all the research. I read about the koalas here, and I read about the koalas here. And this is all about how koalas eat toxic leaves, which is super fascinating. One thing I also found here is that koalas help the birds that pollinate eucalyptus. Okay, koalas actually lend their fur to the birds that pollinate eucalyptus for their nests. Okay, how does the plant benefit from the animal on an organism level? All right, so here we go. I meant to put that there. Koalas help the birds that pollinate eucalyptus. So eucalyptus would not be pollinated without that. But also, as from the video up here, we know that koala get oxygen from eucalyptus and whoops, eucalyptus get carbon dioxide from koalas, right? Okay, so that's on the organism level. Now down here, let's think about the actual parts of the cells. What do mitochondria require? They're the powerhouse of the cell. They need sugar and they need oxygen from eucalyptus. I had no idea I was going to write eucalyptus this many times. And it contributes carbon dioxide. Okay, chloroplasts require sunlight, carbon dioxide, right? And then also water from koala. And chloroplasts contribute sugar, energy, and oxygen. All right, next up we have the nucleus role and the cell membrane role. And as I read in my articles, koala produce via their DNA special things that reduce the toxic, reduce the amount of toxin that affects them. And eucalyptus in their nucleus contains DNA that makes toxins, right? So these toxins prevent other things from eating their thing. All right, cell membrane allows all the nutrients into and wastes out of the cell. Cell wall holds up eucalyptus plants, holds in the toxins and chloroplasts. All right, so that's what you need to do there. Put some resources that you use down here. The next up, you need to make a visual. So you can draw your visual. Here you draw your animal. Here you draw your plant. You might draw some arrows with like stuff going in, right? You have oxygen going into the animal, eucalyptus leaf going into the animal. So I'll put one together and show you in just a second. All right, so here we have the koala eating the leaf and breathing in oxygen. Here we have the brown-headed honeyeater pollinating the eucalyptus, and it only survives because the koala's fur has gone into its nest. Last thing.